Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mark a center line. First, you will need to accurately measure the total width of your material. Once you have this measurement, simply divide it by 2 to determine the exact midpoint. Then, mark this midpoint at several points along the length of your piece. This initial step ensures a precise foundation for your center line every single time. Achieving a perfect center line often depends on using the right tools. A good quality tape measure or ruler is fundamental for accurate initial measurements. For consistent lines parallel to an edge, a marking gauge is incredibly useful. Additionally, a dedicated center finder tool can quickly and accurately locate the center on various stock sizes, saving you time and effort. Marking a center line isn't just for flat, rectangular pieces. For round stock, a combination square or a specialized center finder works wonders. If you have an irregular shape, try to identify 2 parallel edges and then bisect the distance between them. For perfect circles, a compass can help you find the exact center by drawing and intersecting arcs. Before making any permanent cuts or marks, always double-check your center line measurements. A sharp pencil or a marking knife will create clear, fine lines, which are much easier to follow accurately. Also, ensure your work surface is completely flat and stable. These simple best practices will significantly improve the precision and quality of your work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.